Hi there, welcome to Monday's market commentary. With the S&P up 9 points today, not a real rambunctious day, but still was a positive day. And the really good news is that we carried through from Friday's big gain we had in the marketplace. Even though we opened slightly down today, the market's just rallied slowly, steadily up to some positive territory. So let's see where we're at right now. We've got a couple different support levels. We've got ultimate support here at 1200. Got another support level coming right down through here at this 1275 level. And we've broken above that level and trading above it. Although our MACDs are in overbought territory, stochastics are a little overbought territory, which should be telling us that we're ready for a little bit of a pullback. We also have, if we go on a different pattern through here, we also have a nice upward trend right through here, and you can see that right now we're at the top end of that nice little channel going higher. So we should be ready for a slight pullback any time now. Nothing major unless there's any really negative news here, but we are at the top of our resistance levels and we should be ready for a pullback. And we're going to call resistance coming up through here at about this 1325 level for our resistance level right now. And you can see we're trading here at about 1305. Another 20 points or so and we'll hit the resistance level. All right, so currently I am short-term bullish over here on the S&P. Longer term we're still a little bearish because our highs are still getting lower, and our lows coming across are still getting lower. So we're still in this downtrend coming down through here right now. So long-term bearish, short-term bullish on the index. Okay, let's take a look at the NASDAQ and see what that's telling us. And our NASDAQ today, about 26 points. It's actually been much stronger than the Dow has recently. We've got our support levels trading right down here at this 2200 level. You see we're really shooting up, and now we're getting really a little bit overextended here. And by overextended, here's what I'm looking at. See, our MACDs are overbought territory, stochastics overbought territory. But here's the 30-day moving average. You can see this is where we're trading at right now. So this distance from here to here is how much we've already moved. Now if you look what's an average distance above the 30-day moving average before we pull back, you can see that we're really quite overextended from what's an average move here. So right in through here, it's going to go back, and now look how far above we are compared now above what's normal. So you see we're way overextended from our basic moves here. So we're going to have to see some type of selling pretty soon, just at least profit taking to lock something in. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be some heavy profit taking, but we should see somebody just locking in some profits. Say, you know, we've had a good rally from 2200 up to 2450. Let's just lock in some of our more speculative profits, and then as soon as we get a nice bounce from the next bounce, we'll start buying again. And that's what we should really be expecting to see here. So we're sitting at a resistance level coming across this ceiling right in through here from mid-April to the floor here, end of April to the floor here in mid-May. So we're sitting right there at that ceiling there at 2450 with support down here at 2200. If we do break that, obviously our next support level is going to be right up here around 2550, but I would think we're going to have some type of profit taken fairly soon. So what that tells me, I'm not too bullish on the NASDAQ right now. I'll wait for the next drop, and then when it starts to bounce, I'll start going back in again. And any type of a bounce we can get that might stay above the 2350 level right in through here on the NASDAQ will still be overall bullish for this. So short term, I'm bullish, with the exception of we're going to get a pullback pretty soon, and I can't go in any bearish trades until we do start to drop down through here. So short term, I'm still bullish. That's the uptrend, and longer term, I'm neutral with the index trading in this trading range right in through here. All right, hope that helps. Keep an eye on news. News has a tendency to change everything, and I wish you the best.